The cold Steel Kenex is built for rugged toughness, offering unmatched versatility for tactical and survival needs. With its 7-inch Tonta blade made from 1055 carbon steel, this knife excels in strength and durability, handling everything from camping and hunting to everyday tasks. The hard spring temper and rust-resistant black finish ensure long-lasting sharpness and protection against wear. Designed for secure handling, the knife features an integral Keong guard and polypropylene handle scales, providing a firm grip even in tough conditions. Its balanced, heavy design allows for easy throwing, and with the removal of the handle scales, the blade can be converted into a spear or war club. The cold Steel 8 OPG TKG Tonta comes with a secure X sheath for safe and convenient carrying. Whether you're navigating the wild or preparing for intense tasks, this tactical knife delivers reliable performance and versatility every time. Tackle any challenge head-on with the Steel T5B fixed blade knife. This powerhouse tool is built to endure the toughest outdoor tasks, from cutting and chopping to prying. Featuring a 5-inch Nylock steel blade with a black stone-washed finish, the T5B offers exceptional edge retention and strength, making it the go-to knife for heavy-duty work. The black micarta handle integrates seamlessly with the full tang design, delivering a rock-solid grip that ensures comfort during extended use. With an extended tang that doubles as a striker or glass breaker, the T5B adds extra functionality to your gear, making it more than just a blade. Packaged with a MUL-compatible leather sheath, the T5B is ready for any adventure. Whether you're deep in the wilderness or navigating the campsite, this knife will serve you with unmatched reliability and durability. For outdoor enthusiasts who demand the best, the Steel T5B is your ultimate companion. The Civivi fixed blade knife is your ultimate outdoor partner, expertly crafted for strength and precision. With its impressive 4.80-inch black D to steel blade featuring a modified Tonta design, this knife excels at puncturing tough materials while keeping its edge razor sharp. The flat grind offers exceptional versatility, making it ideal for slicing and detailed tasks. The rugged black G10 handle provides a secure grip, even in slippery conditions, while the ergonomic finger notch ensures safety and control during every cut. Built with full tang construction, it promises durability for the toughest challenges. Measuring 9.88 inches overall and weighing just 7.09 ounces, this knife strikes the perfect balance between power and portability. Plus, the Kydex sheath allows for easy carry and quick access. Whether tackling survival tasks or everyday adventures, the Civivi knife is your reliable companion, ready to conquer whatever nature throws your way.
Unleash your adventurous spirit with the Morakniv Companion Spark, a bushcraft knife engineered for versatility and rugged performance. Whether you're camping, hiking, fishing, or tackling survival tasks, this knife is your reliable partner in any weather. Its 4.1-inch Sandvik 1 to C-7 stainless steel blade resists rust, stays sharp longer than carbon steel, and excels at carving, food prep, and cutting tinder. Designed for safety and comfort, the ergonomic polymer handle features a high-friction grip and a finger guard, ensuring precision and control even in wet conditions. The knife comes with a durable sheath equipped with a practical belt clip for easy carrying, making it perfect for outdoor excursions. But what sets the Companion Spark apart is its integrated magnesium alloy fire starter, with 3,000 strikes of 3,000-degree sparks. Even in damp conditions, you'll have a dependable tool for starting fires when you need it most. Compact, lightweight, and practical, it's the ultimate outdoor essential.
Introducing the Gerber Gear Ultimate Survival Knife, the ultimate tool for any adventurer, survivalist, or outdoor enthusiast. Built to withstand the harshest conditions, this fixed blade knife is more than just a cutting tool, it's your all-in-one survival companion. At the heart of its design is the combo edge blade, perfect for slicing, cutting, and sawing through tough materials. But the Gerber Gear Ultimate Survival Knife doesn't stop there. It comes equipped with a fire starter and ferro rod, ensuring you can spark a flame no matter the weather. And when the wild gets tough, the integrated sharpener built right into the sheath ensures your blade stays razor sharp, ready for any challenge. Need to signal for help? The safety whistle included on the sheath has you covered. And speaking of the sheath, it's not just durable, it's a multifunctional powerhouse designed to keep your knife protected and your gear streamlined. Whether you're heading out for a weekend camping trip, navigating the wilderness, or preparing for the unexpected, the Gerber Gear Ultimate Survival Knife is your trusted partner in every situation.